Okay, first run of the Rock Rey on 2S. I actually have the Rustler out here too as like a size comparison, and it's amazing how much bigger a 1/10 is compared to a 1/10. This is pretty much borderline a 1/8. The length of it is as long as my Arm Italian, which surprised the heck out of me. It's not as wide, but these tires are actually almost the same diameter as the stock Italian tires. So this thing, they call it a 10th, but boy, it's real close to a 1/8, so maybe it's a 1/9. But anyway, we're gonna do it take it for a little run. My son's out here playing too, so let's have some good family time. And I love the lights. Get a little torque steer. Just taking it easy, getting the feel for it. Drives a lot different. It is a little wet out here. You just saw that. Pretty stable. See, if you ease onto it, it won't torque steer. If you really, see, it wants to twist. If you get on it and then it pulls hard. Oh, I just drilled my leg. That was not pretty. Rocks, because it's a rock racer. Pretty cool. flip over down there, please. Oh no, that's not good. That was all water down there. That's awesome, guys. Whoa! Wow, it just goes right over the curb. That's great. Awesome. Definitely got to go easy on the throttle because of the torque steer. But I mean, it's not made for massive acceleration. I think it's made for stuff like this. All right, let's try a 3S. Okay, so I was gonna run 3S, but the way this battery tray is, there's a separator right here. And this battery is a little bit too fat, probably because all the Gorilla Tape wrapped around it. So I'm just gonna stick with 2S today. I do have another 3S that will fit the tray better, but I'll have to take that separator out. So we're gonna leave that for another day. I'm gonna do a little more 2S with it. Maybe do a few jumps. So surprisingly, it's flying fairly nice off the ramps. It doesn't nose down on me, which I'm shocked. It did a little bit there, but I expected it to nose down completely. There's the nose down. Let's see how it took it. Pretty well. You know, it's not slow for 2S. Maybe it's the 4300 kV motor I got in. Oop, there's the traction roll everybody talks about. I love how it just goes over everything. All right, it's my first 2S run. The Losi Rock Rey.